Good morning, Daniel. How are you today? Hope you had a great weekend.
Good morning, I'm doing well, thanks for asking. The weekend was nice, spent some time with my chickens, which is always a bit of a stress reliever. How about you? How's your day going so far?
That's brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Hey, Daniel, what it is my name is Nee. I've just come in as the data governance manager here at Summit Retail. Um, and so I'm making all these house calls to my different stakeholders just to understand who does what, where, when, how, and maybe even why. And so I set this call up just to meet with you. I know we were on the same call with Ben and Chris the other day, but I thought set up a one-on-one just to say hello and try and understand from your perspective, specifically from your role and your business area, what pain points you have around data. Are you able to share two, three, or even more such pain points with me?
Nice to meet you, Nee. It's good to put a face to the name. In terms of pain points, one of the big issues we face is the accuracy and timeliness of data coming from the head office. Sometimes the information we're receiving doesn't reflect what's actually happening on the ground. This can lead to inefficiencies and confusion during operations. Another challenge is that we often find ourselves reacting to changes rather than being involved in the planning stages. When new initiatives or projects are rolled out without our input, it can create a lot of extra work for the team. I'd be happy to dive deeper into specific examples if that helps. How does that sound?
That sounds absolutely special. Daniel, see, you've mentioned the second thing you mentioned there was reacting to change and not being part of the building, the planning, right from the off. And that's one of the key things that I'm done going to do my best to make sure you are part of. Um, my job as part of as a data governance manager is to ensure that the business yourselves, the stakeholders, know exactly what we're doing, why we're doing it, why we're doing it, when we're doing it, and make sure that you are part of what we're doing right from the off, so that when we do finish building, it's familiar with to you. And then the other thing you mentioned, the first one was the accuracy and timeliness of data from the head office. And how that impacts your operations. So my task is to make sure that the data that underpins those business processes, those things that you do on a day-to-day that your team work on, my task is to make sure that that data is ring fenced and safeguarded and protected such that it is of the highest quality possible, and the impact of maybe the lack of accuracy or the lateness of that data, we stop it, we eliminate that, so that data gets to you in the format, in the accuracy, in the time that you need. And that's my task. And I was hoping I could set something up with you and your team maybe early next week, Tuesday morning, 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, just for an hour. How does that sound, Daniel?
I appreciate the thorough explanation, Nee. It's reassuring to hear that you're committed to keeping us in the loop. It's really key for us on the ground. I like the idea of setting up a meeting next week. Tuesday at 10 or 11 works for me. I'll check with my team to see which time suits them best, and I'll get back to you. Communication is vital, so I look forward to diving deeper into how we can collaborate on data processes and make things smoother for everyone.
Excellent, excellent. Thanks, Daniel. So I'll put something in your diary, which I'm happy for you to just share with your team. If it turns out Tuesday 10 or 11 does not actually suit the team, you just suggest what time that you're happy to meet with us, and we'll work around that. Is that okay?
That sounds great, Nate. I'll coordinate with my team and to let you know if there's a better time that works. I appreciate your flexibility. Looking forward to the discussion and seeing how we can improve things together.
Excellent. Thanks, Daniel. Take care now. Enjoy the rest of your week. Bye.
You too, Nee. Take care, and I'll be in touch soon. Have a great week.